Hey guys, I'm Lily. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a dog with Play-Doh. And shout out to Julietta, and I got my first hater. And thank you, hater. I don't know what I'm saying, thank you. But I hate you! So... Oh, sorry. Sorry, kitty. So... yeah, let's get started. So, first thing you want to do is you want to roll up. You want to roll the first piece. That's not the first piece, but this is. So just roll that into a ball. Don't have to be perfect. And guys, this is the third time I've filmed this. So, shout out for the cups. Not shout out, but you guys know. Hey, it's so bad. Why do I have to show my room around every single time I do a video? And yes, I will be doing a house tour soon. I got a new house. It says AF on the screen right now. It's like right there. But you guys probably won't see it because, well, I'm a YouTuber. Why am I talking about something like that? I don't know. And then, when you get done making the ear, did I even tell you to make the ear yet? No, I bet I didn't, because I'm a bad YouTuber. So, I know that was terrible, but we're going to attempt, I said we're going to attempt to make it go. I don't know. Guys, I'm losing my mind. I know that's a bad thing, but I am losing my mind. Literally, my brain jumped out of my head and went up in the clouds. And climbed a giant beanstalk. I'm stupid. It is so hot. I'm gonna open the door. And if you guys hear anything, too bad. So, oh yeah, hit me. Okay. It is nighttime right now, so dog. Then we're gonna make a big fat body and take 4 pieces off of it. First, we're gonna make a circle like that. I wish we had like one of those snowball makers. That'd be really cool. But fortunately, we don't. And then so now we made it a circle, and don't put it on your dog yet. Well, put it on your dog now. But put down in the comments if you guys want me to sing more. Okay, that part came apart. That part came apart. So funny. what you guys want to do is fold that in half and then give it to the doggy. And there you have it. There's your broken dog. Need to find the rest of my Play-Doh. Okay, guys. Hope you had a great day. And yay, damn it. But hope you guys had a great day. And hold on. Okay. Hope you guys had a good day. And I'm doing this with the mirror right now because can't see anything. But hope you guys had a great day. And so look at that. What? Get in there. Get in there. Okay. But hope you guys had a great day. And love you guys. Bye. Hug.